Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. So if you guys are unaware, anyone can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. So once you have an Amazon affiliate account, you could generate custom URLs and say if you tell your friend, hey, I just recently bought this on Amazon, do you want my link? I could share you the link. Or if you're a blogger and write articles, you could post your Amazon affiliate links there. Or if you're a YouTuber, that's another way you could start promoting your links. And every time somebody purchases something after clicking on one of your Amazon affiliate links, you get a small percentage. So just looking at my revenue from last year, each month I did generate a little bit of money. So my lowest month, it looks like, was $57. Some of the months on the high end for me was like over $200. And again, this is just something that I don't put a lot of effort into. And if you're able to push out some content and promote your links one way or another, you could start making a little bit of money. So let me show you guys where you have to go to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. So let's type in Amazon Associates. So once you search for the Amazon Associates program or Amazon affiliate program, you'll see the link is affiliate/program.amazon.com. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So let's click on that. And then it just tells you what the Amazon affiliate marketing program is all about. Sign up, recommend, earn. You can earn up to 10% of affiliate commissions. So right here, you could click on sign up. And then it's a lot easier if you already have an Amazon account. So I'd recommend signing into your Amazon account there and go through the process of signing up and everything. And once you do, go on Amazon.com and you should have this Amazon Associates banner at the very top. So let's say you're referring somebody to purchase an Xbox. So let's go type in Xbox. I just searched Xbox on Amazon. Let's scroll down. So let's say I'm referring somebody to purchase an Xbox One S. So I'm going to click on that. So after you're on the landing page to actually purchase the Xbox One that you're referring, up at the very top where that Amazon Associates banner that I showed you was, so click on text. And now you see that Amazon just generated a custom URL for you. So you're going to right click, copy, and send this link to whoever you're referring to purchase an Xbox. So you could do this like if you make a YouTube review, you could put this Amazon affiliate link in the description, but you have to disclose that it's an Amazon affiliate link. If you look in the description of my videos, you'll see how I disclose that they're Amazon affiliate links. And every time somebody purchases something through one of those links, I get a small cut. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I'll also refer you to my playlist of Amazon affiliate marketing tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.